from their end.
The Assembly on Monday witnessed heated arguments between Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, called the opposition Chief Whip George B. Lyngdoh as a liar for alleging that the government has failed to consult the stakeholders while signing the Memorandum of Understanding MOU with Assam for resolving 6 areas of difference between the two states. Reacting to Lyngdoh's allegation, Sangma accused the member of misleading the House. The opposition chief whip said that it was only after the conclusion of the first phase that the Himas and other stakeholders objected the signing of the MOU and the areas that have been given away to Assam by the state government. The Chief Minister, however, said that the process in the first phase saw multiple stakeholder meetings and for the first time, the ministers and the concerned officials went to ground zero, had multiple public hearings, which was never done before. According to Sangma, the stakeholders, including the district councils, NGOs and others, were also consulted during the first phase of border talks.
Is because in the first phase of the talks, all these things did not happen. And only after the conclusion of the MOU have the Himas and other stakeholders objected to the signing of the MOU and the areas that were given away to Assam.
The member is misleading the House completely. And I can completely say that it's a lie, what he's saying, sir. In fact, the process of the first phase saw multiple stakeholder meetings. For the first time, the ministers and the concerned officials went to ground zero, had multiple public hearings which are on record. So, sir, I would ask the honourable member to refrain from making such statements which are completely misleading. You're in the House. This is not a press conference that is going on.